Now this is exactly how you can print a single page of a PDF file. So this PDF file has around 64 pages, as you can see, and how you can print one page of a PDF file or the selected page of a PDF file. So simply here on the keyboard app, simply press Ctrl and P to get the printing menu. Yeah, using the printing menu you can actually save single page of a PDF. So in the printer option here, you have to tap on it and tap on save as PDF. Right now, after this you have pages option. Now whatever pages you wanna select, suppose if you wanna select just one page, so type one. So it will only save one page of a PDF, which is this, the single page. Now if you wanna select some other pages, simply add. So suppose if you wanna save only two pages of 64 pages of PDF, so simply add one here, add comma without spacing, add the other page number. Suppose if you want to save 15 page also, 15 number of page basically. So as you can see, this is the page 1, this is the page 10th, and this is the page 15th. So we are saving the 3 pages of a PDF file. So as you can see, 3 pages. We have firstly selected printer as save as PDF, portrait, then pages, and here is the save button, as you can see. So when you tap on save, it will ask you to rename it. So simply we are adding something. So we have named it how to save a page of a PDF file, one page of a PDF file. So this is it, and tap on hit button and you have successfully downloaded your PDF, which has only selected pages that you wanna save. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found the video informative. Don't forget to hit the like button, and that's it. Now in the next process, I'm going to show you like how you can save one page of a PDF file on Android devices.